Hello friends! What I'm going to explain now comes from the technicians at this well-known appliance workshop in the city. So stay calm because we're going to fix it. The D95 code on an LG dryer always catches our attention in the workshop because it indicates that something in the airflow isn't working as it should. Some customers tell us that the dryer started stopping in the middle of the cycle or wasn't heating properly, and suddenly D95 appeared on the display. This tells us that the machine detected a very high restriction in the ventilation, almost as if the air was trying to escape through a funnel that's too small. When inspecting these dryers, we noticed that many customers mentioned they had cleaned the lint filter, but the error kept appearing. Workshop technicians know that the internal filter is just the first step. What really matters is the entire duct that carries the air outside. If it's crushed, bent, or full of accumulated lint, the dryer interprets that the airflow is blocked and triggers D95. One customer said, "Everything seemed clean, but when I moved the dryer and checked the duct, I saw it was almost clogged with old lint." As we investigate the problem, we also see that the outer vent cover can cause surprises. Some customers told us that the exhaust vent was partially blocked by dirt or even leaves and dust buildup. Technicians explained that any restriction at the exit prevents the dryer from expelling air properly. That's why even if everything inside seems perfect, the air needs to flow freely for the machine to work without errors. We also can't ignore the length and shape of the duct. We've seen that very long ducts or those with too many bends create enough resistance for D95 to appear, even if they're clean. Workshop technicians recommend using a straight or rigid duct whenever possible, avoiding excessive curves that make it harder for air to exit. This helps the dryer breathe better and reduces the chances that the sensor will detect insufficient airflow. At the same time, some customers notice that the D95 error can change to another code if they unplug the dryer and plug it back in after a few minutes. This confirms what technicians say. The airflow sensor needs a system reset to recalibrate, but if the underlying problem is the obstruction, the error will return until the restriction is removed. That's why we never recommend relying solely on resets or superficial cleaning. When we perform a thorough inspection, we always check the duct from the dryer to the exterior vent. Workshop technicians explain that even the outer section can accumulate residues that are hard to see, and a professional duct cleaning can make a big difference. Some customers tell us that after this cleaning, D95 disappears and the dryer runs efficiently again, confirming that airflow restriction was the main cause.